Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here, your GoHighLevel trainer expert. So in this video we are going to learn about the reporting. So without wasting time, let me dive in a video and I will show you step by step how you can create report and manage report in a GoHighLevel. And in the next phase, and that's most probably last lecture of the our training. And in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to do another course or another training where I can train you a specific department of GoHighLevel. For example, we will work on a funnels, we will work on a website design, and we will work on a store design, and after that we will work on automations, and we will do some small project after this video and after this course completion. So let me dive into video and I will show you how we can create reports and how we can utilize for our businesses. So super easy. Just go to the account and the sub account and just simply click on the reporting, and here we have some dummy reporting from GoHighLevel, and that's how your report looks for Google Ads, and you can manage and customize according to your requirement. Here you can align for month, align for day, align for your requirements, whatever your requirement is. So how you can watch your all Google reports, here you can even track your CPC, even you can track cost per click, conversation rate, you can impressions, clicks, conversations, and here you can check all your campaigns that you have run on a Google ad. And same here for the Facebook, and in a Facebook you can track all things that you want to track and that you want to show to your customer and that you want to present in the report. And it's not just these report, you can manage and customize report as well. Just super easy. You can click here, for example, we will say it's up to you how you manage your reports. And here we have some technical reports, that attribution reports. I will explain in another video about these attribution reports. Here we have some call reports. Do you know GoHighLevel have voice agents and they also have power dialer as well. So you can track each and everything here regarding the power dialers and regarding the your calls agents and call agents related reports. Here we have appointment reports. You can how many appointments books, how many appointment confirm, cancel, new, short. You can track each and everything in a GoHighLevel. It's just a basic reporting setup that I'm going to show you. And also you can customize and manage your own report according to your requirement. For example, I just go to the dashboard, and here we have also reporting system. Here you see these are a reporting system, and here you can customize according to your requirement as well. It says it's a 497, but still you can customize these basic things here. It's a super easy, and you see here is a dashboard, default dashboard. I will add another dashboard, and where we can customize report according to your requirement if you have 497 plan. Otherwise you can utilize this report. This report almost have all things that we need to learn about, and that's we need to know about the reporting system of GoHighLevel. And yeah, that's it from this video. And if you want to GoHighLevel services, or if you want any reporting related services, simply go to the leadsflex.com, and here is the website. You can search leadsflex.com, go to leadsflex.com, and here you can book free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step how you can make custom reporting and how you can utilize custom reporting features of GoHighLevel. And if you need any other GoHighLevel services, like here we have all services of GoHighLevel, and yeah, I can provide these all services. If you need any service from them, just simply click and book free consultation. I will jump with your call and I will guide you step by step. Either you can, if you are new to the GoHighLevel, if you can buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, I will give you these 3 snapshot free of cost, and even I can configure on your system as well. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's meet in the next video.